the streets up. Yeah, yeah, okay. Wake the streets up.
Hello friends, welcome to another video of Medicos Pharma. Today we are discussing more questions in pharmacist grade 2 exam. Let's start. EDTA disodium. The brand name is Enrate, is used primarily to lower levels of option A sodium, option B potassium, option C calcium, option D lithium. Correct answer option C calcium. Chelating agent has an affinity for calcium. The usual purpose of chilling medication prior to administration is to increase option A absorption, option B palatability, option C stability, option D ionization. Correct answer palatability. The cold solutions does not penetrate the taste buds as well. Next question. Ipsol contains which of the following as an expectorant? Option A ammonium chloride, option B ipecac, option C glyceryl coagulate, option D potassium iodide. Correct answer option B ipecac. The children's cough syrup with low concentration of ipecac for expectorant action. Okay. Next question. Diuretic is option A carbonic anhydrase inhibitor, option B a mercurial diuretic, option C a non-mercurial diuretic, ericosuric agent. Correct answer option C a non-mercurial diuretic. It's a sulfonamide type of oral diuretic. Diuretic is a sulfonamide type of oral diuretic. Next question. The chief use of levoartirinol is to treat option A shock, option B diabetes, option C hypertension, option D cardiac arrhythmia. Correct answer option A shock. It raises the BP and increases the circulation rapidly. Okay. Next question. Parnate exerts its action by option A producing epinephrine, option B inhibiting acetylcholine, option C inhibiting MAO, option D direct action on medulla. Correct answer option C inhibiting MAO, that is monoamino oxidase enzyme. It prevents biotransformation of catecholamines. Next question. An advantage of Dorapa over other analeptic is option A short duration of action, option B long duration of action, option C it does not depress respiration, option D none of the above. Correct answer short duration of action. It has a markedly shorter duration of action but does depress respiration and dosage adjustment is a problem. Next question. The glomerulus is option A network of capillaries, option B a lymph node, option C a large artery entering the kidney, option C none of the above. Correct answer a network of capillaries. Up to 50 parallel capillaries engaged in Bowman's capsule in which the fluid collects. Okay. Next question. Which of the following inhibits gastric acid secretion? Option A vagal stimuli, option B neurotensin, option C gastrin, option D protein meals. Correct answer option B neurotensin. All of the others stimulate the secretion. Okay. Next question. Progressive fibrosis and scarring of the liver are known as diverticulitis, option B diverticulosis, option C hepatitis, option D cirrhosis. Correct answer cirrhosis. There is a marked loss of the function of liver. Okay, this condition is known as liver cirrhosis. Next question. Which of the following is contraindicated with MAO inhibitor? Option A milk, option B cheeses, option C cola beverages, option D fish. Correct answer cheeses. Fermented foods contain tyramine. which is a toxic in absence or depletion of MAO. Next question. Remdesivir has a preference for stimulation of which of the following receptors? Option A, alpha. Option B, gamma. Option C, ACE2. Option D, beta. Correct answer, ACE2. The remdesivir, which is an antiviral drug, which binds with the receptor known as ACE2 receptor. Next question. Which of the following symptoms is not present in digitalis intoxication? Option A, AV block. Option B, ventricular tachycardia. Option C, vomiting. Option D, vagal arrest of the heart. Correct answer, option D, vagal arrest of the heart. If arrest occurs, it is due to asystole. Okay, next question. The antidiuretic hormone. The antidiuretic hormone is secreted from option A, kidney cortex. Option B, kidney medulla. Option C, anterior pituitary. Option D, posterior pituitary. Correct answer, posterior pituitary. The hypothalamus is also involved for the production of antidiuretic hormone. Okay, next question. The macrophages of CNS tissue are. Macrophages of CNS tissue are. Option A, microglia. Option B, neurolemma. Option C, arachnoid villi. Option D, folia. Correct answer, microglia. These are mobile histiocytes found in the nervous tissue. Okay. Next question. Phenothiazines are not effective in control of vomiting due to B, infection. Option C, upset of stomach. Option D, motion sickness. Correct answer, option D, motion sickness. They exert to action on the vestibular apparatus. Their primary action is directly on the CT cell, that is the vomiting center. CT cell. Okay, next question. Organic pesticides may be effectively counteracted with option A, pentazocine. Option B, dopamine. Option C, neutrapin. Option C, neutrapen. Option D, pralidoxin. Correct answer, pralidoxin. Pralidoxin is an emergency antidote. Okay, next question. Antihistamines have little effect on which of the following actions of histamine? Option A, bronchospasm. Option B, Wieland flare. Option C, hypotension. Option D, gastric secretion. Correct answer, option D, gastric secretion. They do not counteract increasing gastric secretion. Okay, next question. The sympathetic ganglia are located. Sympathetic ganglia are located. Option A, near the heart. Option B, near the spinal cord. Option C, near the adrenal gland. Option D, in the extremities. Correct answer, option B, near the spinal cord. They are autonomic ganglia. Okay. Man is most sensitive to which of the following taste? Option A, sour. Option B, sweet. Option C, bitter. Option D, salty. Correct answer, bitter. The taste buds which detect the detectable at a much lower concentration than other taste. Therefore, bitter taste is most sensitive in our tongue. Okay, thank you for watching my video. See you.